Files flung, slogans raised, hooliganism cheered on by opposition members of parliament. This in the House of Elders in Rajya Sabha on Tuesday evening. Hours later, an emotional Rajya Sabha chairman, Venkaiah Naidu, almost broke down in the House. He slammed the chaos in parliament. Venkaiah Naidu said this is sacrilege and a violation of the temple of democracy by the opposition, which incidentally justified its actions.
I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts, as I spent a sleepless night.
Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu has had enough. Warning after warning after warning has been ignored.
Please obey the chair and go back. If the House is not allowed to function today, also a message will go that this House also is not concerned for the plight of the farmers, who are the bread givers for our people. A message will go. So House must be allowed to function and we can discuss about farmers issue. Yes, farmers issue. Farmers issue. I have already admitted farmers issue, price rise, flood issue and other issues. If this is the way, no, please sit down, please sit down. Let us not spoil the atmosphere. Keeping that in mind, I am adjourning the House. Parliament is much more than a political institution, given its constitutional mandate. But there seems to be a scant respect for the constitutional sanctity of Parliament. Very, very unfortunate. As the chairman of this august House, I am deeply distressed by the course of events in the House.
And the breaking point for the Rajya Sabha chair was this moment. Congress MP Pratap Singh Bajwa resorting to an unparliamentary protest, standing on a table and throwing papers at the chair. As the opposition gunned him on, Bajwa climbed up on the table in what's considered the most sacrosanct area of the upper house.
I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts, as I spent a sleepless night. Last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this august House to hit such a low yesterday.
Naidu has time and again warned the opposition and tried hard to act as mediator between the government and opposition, but to no avail.
Chair and go back.
The opposition has resorted to all sorts of tactics to ensure their demands are met, and that has in many circumstances meant completely unparliamentary behavior in the House. Bureau Report, India Today.